How to cancel Bajaj Allianz life insurance policy online. So if you want to cancel Bajaj Allianz life insurance policy online, then what you need to do is don't worry. You can cancel a policy online. Before canceling, you must know about the free lock period. This is usually 15 days or 30 days for online policies. From the policy start date, if you cancel within this time, you will get a refund after a small change. Now, take your phone and open up your Safari or any browser that you are comfortable with and go with the official website of Bajaj Life Insurance. Now, on the top, you need to tap on the three lines which will be on the right side. Now, scroll down and then tap on Customer Service. Now, scroll down and then tap on Login. Enter your policy number and register your mobile number or email. You may receive an OTP. Enter the OTP to log in. After logging in, go to the policy service and select the policy cancellation or surrender policy. Fill in the required details and choose your reason for cancellation. Documents, if such as ID proof, a policy document, or cancel check. Tap Submit, and you will see a confirmation message or email that the company will process a request, and if eligible, the refund will be sent to your bank account within a few working days. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.